Hello everyone, how are you all holding with technology? This is BCube and welcome to yet another video. In today's video, I am going to unbox and share my initial impressions on the recently launched Mi True Wireless Earphones 2C. I purchased this from Flipkart on Big Billion Day sales which started just yesterday. You can also avail 250 discount by purchasing them right now. Few info written on the box. Opening up the box, which wasn't that easy for me this time for whatever the reason it is. We have some paperwork, Type-C cable and TWS earphones themselves inside the charging case. The case is matte finished with square design with LED at the front and Type-C charging port at the rear. The TWS looks a lot similar and almost same as that of Mi True Wireless Earphones 2, about which I'll be sharing my thoughts in the full review, or else for just quick glance you can just check out my tweet and also follow me if you do like my tweets. Make sure to remove the plastics on the charging pins on TWS to charge them. Also, the TWS is easy to take out by holding the top and the bottom, unlike the usual way which you can see I struggled a little bit too. The TWS also has LEDs at the bottom of the stem, which this time is something new. It's also easy to get used to open the lid with just one hand after using it couple of times. Pairing is also again easy and simple, as equal to that of the Mi TWS 2, which you can watch by clicking the I button right now and get to know the process. That's all for this video guys. Hope you guys liked my video. I'll be posting my review very soon because it's Big Billion Day sales and I'm sure most of you are looking to purchase new ones. So I'll not make you guys wait too long. I'll be posting it as soon as possible after I test them out completely. Make sure to subscribe to my channel if you don't want to miss out on that. Do like the video if you did like it. Also do follow me on social media handles for quick information at your fingertips. That's all for this video guys. Catch you guys in my next one.